jam that we throw every year on this exact day. It's called Loose Screws. This is number 11. It's
in
the
Atlanta
biggest.
Is the biggest.
It's
one.
the biggest jam in Atlanta, but
it's getting bigger every year.
Yeah, it's getting bigger every year.
B-boys just keep coming back and keep. They ask for it online, everything. Just you know.
There's a lot of people coming.
A lot of people. HBO crew.
Yeah, HBO crew.
The
main ingredients.
Main ingredients. The Virginia Zulu chapter.
Yeah.
Battle Instincts is in the house.
Yeah, a whole bunch of crews are in the house. Bronx Boys.
Yo, Atlanta's dope. I like the B-boy scene. I love the city. Wreck the Floor crew, HBO crew, CBB crew, and just wreck the floor all day.
The graph is dope.
Oh yeah, the graffiti is definitely dope. Shout outs to all the hip hop scene and culture out in Atlanta.
Trace the hits. Let's see who bit. I flip the scripts. It'll take a while. Two MCs get weak. This is the scar they keep. I made my debut in '86. And I still make hits with beats. MCs wanna beat when they sweat the technique.
papers for your judges are ready. Crowd, come on, let me hear you. People be quiet. Bunch of heavyweights for this moment, folks. Bunch of heavyweights. So what's good? Who's ready? Come on, judges. Kevo, Miss Lady, Abby. That's Miss Lady, Miss Lady? Naj. Like Naj, nigga, I'm Naj. Here we go. Come on. Whenever y'all ready, man. Whenever y'all ready. Come on, right now. So there's 2 ties, that don't mean it's a tie? I thought the majority rules for 2 people stay in the tie, that don't mean it's a tie? Hey, shit. Judges, I feel for y'all. 1, 2, 3, who will it be? Hands been in the city. Who's on that? Let's go. Keep it moving.